In this video, we're going to show you 3 easy ways that you can use to fix subtitles on Crunchyroll. So let's begin. So in order to identify whether the issue is really with the app or just your settings, head over to Account. Then go ahead and tap on Subtitles and make sure the selected language is correct. Then head back and make sure Closed Captions is also turned on. After that, dive into some anime to see if it worked. Then, if you're still running into the same issue, head back to Account and tap on Subtitles. Then go ahead and select None, then head back. After that, close the app and then open it up again. Then head back to Account. Then go ahead and select the language that you'd like. After you do all this, head back into some anime and see if it worked. If it didn't, don't worry, there's another method. So if it didn't work, close the app, then tap on the icon for a long time until some options show up. Tap on More Information, then head down and tap on Storage. You can then clear the cache and data. Then once you do this, open up the app and sign in. Head back to Account. Go ahead and select the preferred language and make sure Closed Captions is turned on. Then head back into some anime to see if it worked. Alright, so if that didn't work, here's the third method. Head over to Account, scroll all the way down and tap on Need Help. Then go ahead and contact customer care and describe the problem you're facing. So thanks for watching. I truly hope this video helped. If it did, go ahead and leave a comment and of course like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.